Hey guys, here's a video of Cole and his spinner and some weapons. First, I'm going to show you Cole, Black Ninja. Here you go, hold on. Yeah, so his face is kind of ugly, I don't like how it looks. Here's his golden weapon. Here's his hammer. And here's his black katana. And here's his spinner. I don't like the color and the little details they leave on there, but it's just how they cut. It's just how it comes, and they spin pretty good, like really good. Yeah, so that's the stuff I have. And if you notice that how the guys come off is that when this is spinning, this goes up and down, up and down. So yeah, they fall off like that. Well, that's the video, and thanks for watching.